Hello friends, today we'll learn how to draw a simple layout. So first of all, we'll open a new file. So this is a grid system. Now we are trying to show some settings. So in the toolbar you will select display grid, or you can unview also, or you can remove also. You can see the process layout, okay, and different dimensions, zoom in, zoom out, and these are different layouts. You can delete also. And in this layout we are going to draw some simple units. Now we will choose a unit and draw them here. So you can see here I'm choosing this. Now I have removed the process toolbar. I can also select the process toolbar also. Now I will add one unit. So this is the influent wastewater unit, which has a name, and with the process toolbar. And you can also add, delete, and these are some variables that I'm going to show them here. And now this one is the primary treatment, so I have added a primary treatment unit here. Now I would add the coagulation flocculation unit, and then I'm adding another unit. I'm now going to delete this, so you can add and delete simultaneously. Okay, now after this I have added another unit. Now I'm going to add, this is another unit, which is the extended unit, activity sludge. Okay, now I will add another more unit. Okay, so subsequently you can add as many units you can, depending on the type of the case study, or depending on what you want to exactly add the units here. Okay, so these are the units I'm choosing. Okay, and this one is a UV disinfection unit. Okay, and before that I'm adding another unit. Now at the end I will add the affluent. Okay, now we would we want to see the names, or you want to, so I will remove the names. So I'm going to add these streams from the one inlet to the another outlet. Okay, and this system allows you, this Capdet works, allows you to choose the inlet and outlet of the other unit. Okay, so this is the beauty of this software. Okay, now you can see I'm adding one unit to the another. So there are a lot of units. So now we are at the second last. Now we are adding the UV disinfection to the affluent. Now we will simultaneously edit the input parameters. So these parameters you can see. Now I'm changing the units. So this is now in US unit. Now I'm changing all the units. So it totally depends on the our input variables, what we need to add, what we add, delete. Okay, so we are changing BOD, soluble COD, and the other input variables here. Simultaneously we will change all the variables. Now choosing the other. Okay, so I'm changing some pH here and the other variables also. Okay, now this is the temperature. So I change the temperature, and the other one also I've changed. Now we need to accept, then we will go simultaneously to the other units, other components that we have added. Okay, and also you can add some notes also on the corner one also if you want to add some notes. Now we are changing the units and the input variables. Now we will say accept. So you have to do it all the units that you have added. Okay, same. So similarly here also. Okay, now I've changed the units of this one, surface overflow rate, and this is the type of clarifier. Now design, you can override, or you don't want, you can leave it uncheck. Okay, and then now I have added some parameters here also in case you want to override the design. Now this is for the other unit, which is okay. Now we have forgot to add, so we are changing the grid remote also. We are changing some of the parameters. Okay, here also we are changing, and then we will go to the other units. So this one also, diffuse air flotation unit, we are changing some of the units. Okay, and this is all depends on the type of the case study or type of the information that is available. This is just the demonstration. So we are trying to show you how we can add components and how we can change the input variables to the units. Okay, now after adding all, we will just click accept. Now this is for the secondary clarifier. Okay, we are changing here also some of the variables. Okay, here also and here also, then accept. Then this is the another unit which is for the nitrogen removal, biological nitrogen removal. We are changing some of the parameters here also, the MLSS and suspended solids. And then this is the secondary clarifier which is coupled with the nitrogen removal unit. Okay, now after changing this, we will go to the another unit. Here also we are changing some of the parameters. Okay, then accept. Then we will go to the another unit which is the chlorination unit. Now this is my UV disinfection unit. Okay, then these are the type of UV lamps. So these are different windows where you can change the parameters that you want. Now it doesn't allow you to change the effluent parameters. Now we need to save the file, which is very important. So we need to save the file and choose all files, so it is saved on the desktop. Now after doing this, you can zoom in, zoom out to see the drawing. And now this is for the cost, how you want to see the cost. It's appearing on the top, and then you can see the cost of the full layout this way. Okay, this is just the customization of the way you want to see the cost. And this you can see, the cost indices. And then this is you want to generate the report of the cost in Excel. You can just accept, and then it will say you where you want to save the file. So it's saved here, and then the Excel file will open up with the drawing, and then you can see the other output parameters that you want. Okay, so these are in Excel. So now we would see the other thing. Now this is for the simulation or run analysis. So you can see here, and you can choose and then run analysis. So this is just the beauty of the software, to show you the different output variables or output window. Okay, so this was all about the basic layout using the Capdet works. Okay, and this is part of the Hydrometers.